Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Cash App to TD Bank. First, open the Cash App on your phone. From the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap Link Banks. Here, tap Link Debit Card. But instead of entering a card, tap No Card and then hit Continue. Now, scroll through the list until you find TD Bank. If you don't see it, just use the search bar at the top and type TD Bank. Cash App will then prompt you to authenticate your bank. Tap Continue. You'll be taken to the TD Bank login page. Just sign in the same way you normally do. Follow the on-screen steps and your TD Bank account will be linked. Once that's done, go back to the Cash App home screen. Now tap Cash Out. Enter the amount you want to transfer. For example, I'll choose $1. Then tap Cash Out at the bottom. You'll be asked to choose a transfer speed. I'll select standard, but you can pick whichever you prefer. And that's it! Your money is now on the way to your TD Bank account. And that's how to transfer money from Cash App to TD Bank. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.